In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Asana the easy way. Whether you're updating your contact information or just consolidating your email accounts, knowing how to change your email in Asana can be very handy. Let's dive in and show you just how simple this process is. First, we're going to start by logging into your Asana account. Head over to Asana's website and enter your current login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. It's important to log into the account where you want this email change to take place, so ensure you're accessing the correct user profile. Now that you're logged in, you want to access your profile settings. For that, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see either your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll find several options. From this list, select My Settings to proceed. In the Settings menu, you'll want to head over to the Account tab. This section is going to be crucial for managing your account information. Look for the option that says Add New Email, and once you spot it, click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter the new email address you'd like to use. It's crucial to double check the spelling here to avoid any mistakes that might prevent you from receiving necessary emails from Asana. After entering your new email, you'll need to click Re-authenticate. This step prompts Asana to send a verification email to your new address. Make sure you have access to this inbox, as you'll soon need to complete the verification process. Next, open your email inbox and locate the verification email sent by Asana. Sometimes these emails can slip into your spam folder, so be sure to check there if it doesn't appear in your main inbox. Once you find it, click the verification link inside. This step confirms to Asana that you indeed wish to associate this new email address with your account. With your email now verified, it's time to make it your primary contact. Go back to Asana and navigate once again to My Settings, specifically in the Account tab. Now look for your newly added email address in the list of emails associated with your account. Click on it and select the option Make Primary. This action will set your new email address as the main one for all Asana related communications. And there you have it. You've now successfully updated your email address in Asana with just a few straightforward steps. This method ensures you stay connected and can continue to receive important updates and notifications from your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.